Get unlimited access to all of our CPE courses at www.teachucomp.com/unlimited CPE.
In this lesson, we'll look at review questions 1 through 3. Let's begin with review question number 1. True or false? Generally, when a debt for which a taxpayer is personally liable is forgiven or canceled, the taxpayer must include that amount in his or her taxable income. The answer is true. Generally, if a debt for which a taxpayer is personally liable is canceled or forgiven, other than as a gift or other exceptions, the taxpayer must then include the canceled amount in his or her income. Now let's take a look at review question number 2. David had $10,000 of credit card debt for which he was personally liable, $4,000 on one card and $6,000 on another. In 2012, the debt was canceled due to a Title XI bankruptcy case. How much should David include in his income for 2012? A. $6,000, B. $4,000, C. $10,000, or D. 0. The answer is D. The debt was forgiven due to a Title XI bankruptcy case, so it can be excluded from the total taxable income. Now let's take a look at review question number 3. Joe had a $30,000 canceled from his financial institution. Immediately before the cancellation of this debt, Joe's total assets were $100,000 and his liabilities were $110,000. How much of this canceled debt must be included in Joe's total income? Would it be A. $30,000, B. $20,000, C. 0, or D. $15,000? The answer is B. Because Joe is insolvent $10,000, he can exclude all of it from his income. However, the remaining $20,000 on his canceled debt must be included in his total income.
Like what you see? Get unlimited access to all of our CPE courses at www.teachucomp.com/unlimited CPE.